Today we're taking a look at Alfa outdoor wood-fired ovens. Alfa was founded in Italy in 1977, and they continue to craft all of their ovens there till this day. They offer several collections, allowing you to choose what size and design complement your outdoor space best. Their unique technology uses an insulated stainless steel inner dome for durability, so you won't have to worry about spending time curing their ovens. You can go straight to cooking. Today we'll be taking a close look at the Alfa 4 Pizze collection. It's available as a freestanding unit on wheels, as well as a countertop configuration. The exterior features 304 stainless steel construction with painted accents. The oven has a removable door, which can be used to help control your wood fire when needed. The interior cooking surface measures 31.5 inches wide by 23 3/5 inches deep. The oven floor is lined with 1-inch thick interchangeable fire bricks for added insulation. The stainless steel interior dome is double-walled, with ceramic fiber insulation between to retain plenty of wood-fired heat. I could see the heat circulation in action when I seared this ribeye. I wanted maximum airflow for high heat, so I cooked this start to finish with the oven door off. The steak seared quick with wood-fired heat and had some wonderful flavor. When you set out to cook in this oven, it's a good idea to use small pieces of natural hardwood stacked in the center of the oven so airflow is optimal. This will help the fire form quicker. Once you've established a good fire, toss a couple of more logs on to work towards getting a healthy bed of coals. After you're there, slide the coals over to one side of the oven and you're ready to cook. For pizza, make sure you let the oven preheat to an ambient temperature of around 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Wood-fired pizza ovens cook quickly, so don't walk away. A couple of rotations will be needed to crisp all sides of the crust next to the fire. The heat radiating from the top of the oven was apparent with this cook. After just a few minutes, the toppings were bubbling. All in all, this pizza cooked in about 6 minutes. The top got some nice color, as did the outer edge of the crust. However, I did find it difficult to achieve very crispy crust due to the heat coming from the top of the oven outmatching the heat from the floor. For added versatility, Alfa offers a stainless steel roasting rack that could either be situated like this or flipped over to hold something like ribs. The pan underneath is fully welded for adding cooking liquids and catching drippings. Another popular accessory is this wood holder, which angles back, making it easy to bank your logs to one side of the oven and helps with combustion. When it comes to tending the oven, this 4-piece tool set is important to have on hand. They're 47 inches long, allowing you to maintain the oven from a safe distance. The Alfa 4 Pizze oven includes a stainless steel chimney with a rain cap to help keep out the elements. Its height also helps to funnel smoke up and away from you and your guest. To keep an eye on oven temperature, there is a pyrometer on the right side of the face of the oven. Freestanding models have 2 stainless steel side shelves, as well as a spot for hanging tools along the front. Cart models have 4 casters, allowing for easy portability on the patio.